Hello everyone, here is the quick demo of a simple game created with the help of JavaScript and some DOM manipulations like index.html file you can see here, where actually the page is, the structure has been created. It's a simple HTML page and some styling has been applied, which you can take a look. And now coming to the demo, so I'll just see. So this is game where we need to guess a number between 1 and 20. So actually the interface is very simple. So you need to enter some number here and you need to click on check. So it will say like if it is a correct number or if it is lesser than the number, if it is greater than the number. So I'll just refresh this one, and see, this is how it initially looks, and this is where we need to enter the number. Okay, and initial score will be 20. So once you enter a wrong number, then the score will reduce by 1, and it will also capture the high score. So let's see the demo. Okay, so this is the question mark and it will be capturing one number between 1 and 20, and you need to guess that number. Let's say I will say 10. Okay, and I will click on check. So it says entered number is higher, so the number is less than 10 and score is reduced by 1. All right, if it is lesser than 10, maybe 5. Okay, entered number is lower, so the number is greater than 5 and it's between 5 and 10. All right, so let me enter 7. Still it is lower than 8. All right, so definitely it will be a 9 now. And when I enter correct number, that is 9, so question mark will go away and it will show the number which was captured, and it will be selecting randomly one number. Okay, and also this width will be increasing. Okay, and the number is correct, it will say score is 16 and this is the highest score because first time only I have played. And now if I want to play it again, then there is a button called again, which will reset everything. I mean, this will again select some random number and this will go blank, and here it will start saying start guessing. But only thing which will not reset is high score because you are playing again, right? So high score should be same. So I'll click on again, and you also notice the background color. So it is changing from again green to the original one, gray. Okay, so again there is a question mark, right? So again I will start guessing. Okay, so let me guess, let me take 10 again. Okay, number is lower than maybe 15, and right, so 15 is correct. And high score previously it was 16 or something, and now the score was 19 and this is greater as compared to the previous one, so that's why high score is updated to 19. So like this you can play as many times as you want. And this again you click on this again button and it will reset everything, right? So this is the demo, guys. And if we just talk a little bit about the code, it's very simple. As I've shown you, this is the HTML page which you can create. Obviously there is nothing much in this one, and some styling has been applied on, like placing the images. And this is the image which I'm using, font family, and then this is the background color here we are setting, and the headers, positioning and all. So main, left, right, so these things, H1. And these are the buttons like again button, and guess, that is the box, and these things. Okay, so we'll concentrate on JavaScript now. And here this function, basically initially we are creating one random function, and score we are 20 and high score is again 0. So here we are using the DOM manipulation in order to add a event listener on the check. So we are having check, right? So this check will add one event listener, and then we'll just check if user has entered nothing. If nothing is user entered, like, see, if user is not entering anything, it will say please enter a number to play. So that we are doing here. And after that, if the guess is correct, then we will say like number is correct and change the background color, and show that secret number, so it should be visible. Those things are done. And okay, so we are also setting the high score, so that we are doing it here. If the score is greater than high score, then we'll set it to the new high score, and if guess is greater than the secret number, we'll say enter number is higher and reduce the score by 1. And else if the score is greater than 1, in the sense if the user is playing again and again, let's see, 6 is there, so I will keep on checking until the score will go to 0. When the score is 0, then it's like you have lost, right? So when score goes 0, you have to say sorry, you lost, then the user should not play, or he should not be allowed to play. So that is done here. We will check if score is greater than 1, then only we are going to proceed next. Okay, and this is for the higher scenario, and this is for the lower scenario, and everything remains same. And in this case, this is the again functionality, where we are again adding a event listener, where it will listen for the click, and we'll reset the score to 20. Then we'll create one random, again another number, and we'll say manipulate this message, score, guess, and number to the initial positions or initial values. And also we'll change background color and the width of this button over here to the smaller width, 15 rem. So this is basic game which I just developed. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, and you can find the code in my GitHub. So link is there in the description. Please check it out. See you in the next one.